back to another video. Today we are going to be making a knife. That's loud. Anyways, why is there a socket here? Anyways, we're going to be making a knife. So, I just recently started being a blacksmith. I don't know if you can hear me, but whatever. I wouldn't call myself a blacksmith. Yeah, I'm not that good at it, but I figured why not put it on YouTube, but I don't know. So I guess just, yeah, I don't know. And I don't really even have a plan of what I'm making. Oh, we gotta pick out our steel. Let's see, what do we want? Okay, we've got our piece of steel cut. Now, where are my tongs? We need to put it in the forge. There we go. Okay, there. Steel likes to roll. Isn't that just a pleasant surprise? So, yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. We built this cart for the forge of sorts. We got wheels. It's pretty interesting. So, yeah. You can probably tell when I put on my mask. Sound probably isn't as good. But anyways, we are going to make a knife. Okay, ready to pull the steel out of the forge. So in the meantime, while that's heating up, this right here, don't know how well you can see that, but that right there is a needle bearing housing off of an F-250, Ford F-250. That's hard to see. I'll have to lighten that up. But is what I've made out of it is a spoon maker. And if you would like to see a video of me making a spoon, then yeah, just like this video and no matter what, I mean, I'm gonna make a video of me making a spoon. Man, that's hard to see. But anyways, I'm gonna make a spoon sometime and show you how to make it. And this is a cool little handy tool so you can get the spoon to actually be round. I don't know if you can tell, but that's a hole in there. But anyways, I think it's time to forge. Alright, so I am done, and this is what it looks like, just a little knife. The handle will be chopped about, right about where my hand is. But that right there is what it is before done grinding. So there will be a part 2 of. Get your hands dirty real quickly. There will be a part 2 of it. Probably grinding it and finished it and it being finished. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.